So often people ask me how I have time to make homemade meals every day. The thing is, it's not that difficult. I mean, my family does benefit from my former career, don't get me wrong, but I could show you some really quick tips so that you could do the same thing.
Yep, that's me. Okay, let's get into it.
So for instance, today I take one day to prep and another day to put it all together. It's a chicken salad. So all it is, he wants grilled chicken over a salad. What I'm gonna do is get the chicken together and chop the vegetables. So I put the chicken, you see, in a bag here. There's the bag. And then I put everything in the bag. Olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, garlic, a little bit of fresh thyme, a little bit of rosemary, and then I'll crack some pepper and toss it in. That's it. Put it in the fridge, it's done. Then I'm gonna show you how I get the vegetables together. Easy breezy. Okay, look, in the bag, the way it goes, I don't even chop the herbs, I throw it right in there. Reason being is I just want for the flavor. It goes there, and in the fridge it goes for the night. It rests. Tomorrow I'll take it out and I'll grill it. Okay, vegetables chopped, you'll see. So I use the cucumbers, tomatoes, olives, sorpressetta, and then I have some of the sliced hot cherry peppers because this is what he likes. I put that on top along with the grilled chicken over a bed of spinach. It's simple. All right, here we are, day 2. I looked out, it's a beautiful sunny day. I got the coals nice and steaming hot. Here's my chicken that I marinated yesterday. And now I get to just toss it on the grill. There we go. On the grill. Once these are done, I take them off.
And voila. Now, all I have to do is assemble.
Okay, and the final result, dun, 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 let's see, can you see it? Is there. That is lunch for my husband. Easy, breezy. It's so simple. That's just for lunch. We'll do dinner too.
For more quick and easy tips, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notification. I'm Coastal Kim, and I'm living the shoreline dream.